Hello world, it's Rahul, and today I'll be guiding you machine learning. I have personally experienced that in today's time, people don't tell the concepts or maths used behind these machine learning algorithms. But during this series, I'll try to cover all aspects. So guys, the objective of this course is to give you a complete understanding of machine learning by covering inner working of supervised and unsupervised algorithms. We'll see how these algorithms work, how they can be tweaked, and where we can use these algorithms in real world scenario. I'm sure you all agree that machine learning is one of the hottest trend in today's market, right? So looking into huge upcoming demand of machine learning around the world, I have come up with well-designed machine learning course. Machine learning is about making decisions based on trial and error. It is the science of getting computers to learn. Let's talk about some real world example to make it more clear. As we all are going for online shopping these days, while checking for a product, did you ever notice it recommends products similar to what you are looking for? Or did you see the tags like the person bought this product also bought this? How are they doing this recommendation? Or did you ever get a call from any bank or finance company asking you to take a loan or any insurance policy? Do they call everyone? Obviously not. They call only selected customers who they think will purchase their product. How do they select? This is target marketing and can be applied using clustering. So these are the things where machine learning came into picture. So guys, we have supervised and unsupervised machine learning algorithms. Supervised machine learning algorithms are designed to learn by example, which is similar to as a student learns things in the presence of a teacher. When training a supervised learning algorithm, the training data will consist of inputs paired with the correct outputs. See, here we have an image of dogs and cats. The task of our supervised learning model is to identify the dog and cat and classify them accordingly. We will give the input data as well as output, and output is nothing but the name of animal, which means we will train the model by shape, size, color, and body features of each animal. Once the training is completed, we'll test the model by giving the new set of dog and cat images. The model will identify the image and predict the output according to the model training. On the other side, unsupervised machine learning algorithm doesn't need any supervision. This algorithm tries to find the structure and patterns from the unlabeled input data by its own. In this scenario, the model will train itself and divide the animals into different groups according to the most similar features between them. So guys, during this tutorial, we'll be covering complete machine learning algorithms including regression, classification, and clustering. We'll try to understand the mathematics behind these algorithms, and we'll do some coding exercises as well, which will be definitely in Python. So guys, here we have a small quiz for you. So go ahead and comment below your answers. For next tutorial, we'll be covering simple linear regression, slope, y-intercept, least square error, graph visualization. Thank you guys for your time. Do like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Happy learning and stay safe.